Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number B9292P. Only 11,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, which includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Town & Country seats 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control, along with DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reversed if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off a key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. They're also heated, great for those cold winter days. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry, along with a remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. Rear DVD player control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated steering wheel as well as heated front seats. Slide out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage space in the removable center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, liftgate, sliding door control, moonroof control, and Bluetooth connectivity, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.